Hey guys, what is going on? It's Hamish from Income Stream Surfers, and I'm feeling really good today, really positive. The sun is shining, I've had some coffee, my hair is no longer dry. So yeah, feeling really good. Today's video is going to be my top 5 every time. I don't want to do top 5, I want to just give some advice for people who are either starting with POD or aren't getting any sales, or just maybe want some tips that maybe they haven't heard before. The idea is to give advice that people don't normally give. And on that note, a lot of YouTubers, they say that you don't need any graphic design skills to make money with POD. And that can be true if you stick to text-based designs and you use something like Canva presets and you stick to a really clear font in black or white on a black and white t-shirt or whatever. That can work, that's fine. You can make money with text-based designs, and also text-based designs are actually really good because often they're long-tail keywords, which means it's more than 4 or 5 words for a Google search to return that result. So yeah, it's possible, but my advice today is if you find a keyword that is something that a text-based design won't work for it, and you might be tempted to just use Canva elements or, I don't know, a picture from Placeit or whatever it might be, and that can work, but in my opinion, it's actually better to team up with a graphic designer friend, and for any design that they make, just offer them a revenue split or a profit split of 50-50. Honor that, and then you might find that you create something that is so good that it sells many times. Okay, my second piece of advice it's to do with SEO, obviously. SEO, everyone knows that it's incredibly important. But it's the reason you make sales, okay? So my advice today is to give as much time as possible per design to tags, description, finding keywords, etc. But aside from that, the advice that I'm going to give you would be to use one of the tools that SEOs all around the world use to do their keyword research, which is something like Ahrefs or SEMrush. You can get a trial for Ahrefs for $7. I have some videos here. I'll put a link to them. I guess it would be here, right? Probably. For Ahrefs, you can get the trial for $7 for 1 week, and it's really good. Trust me, I highly recommend it. SEMrush is actually free. You get a free trial, which is obviously better. The only problem is you have to email them. But as I did in this video here, I cancelled the subscription after 2 hours, and I had SEMrush for a week, and I didn't pay anything. So yeah, my second piece of advice would be to do what I do in the video that I linked before, and just download hundreds of thousands of keywords using Redbubble's website, using Etsy's website to kind of be the base of your designing. So you can you can make designs based on the keywords, okay? And I've done this many times. I find the keyword first and then I make the design, okay? So I guess that could be another piece of advice, is find the keyword first, make the design. So yeah, just these SEO tools, they're incredibly powerful, okay? They are used by, the best SEOs in the world to do their keyword research because they are just so damn powerful. And the fact that you can just input Etsy's or Redbubble or Zazzle or even Amazon's website into Ahrefs or SEMrush, honestly, it's crazy powerful. So when you do that, actually, it gives you the pages that are receiving the most traffic from Google. It lists them by keyword, and then all you do is you download them into a spreadsheet, save the spreadsheets, you have those spreadsheets forever. After the trial, you will still have those spreadsheets. And if you use Ahrefs over SEMrush, you will also get weekly emails for new keywords, which is also another really, really nice advantage of Ahrefs. But yeah, use one of these trials, guys, and you will not regret it, I promise. Okay, my third piece of advice would be to check Google every time. So you're going to want to, every time you find a keyword, you want to search it on Google from, you can set Google to be from America, for example, or the United Kingdom. Make the search on Google and see which website is appearing first, okay? And this is really important because if Redbubble is 6th and Amazon is number 1 and you only upload to Redbubble, you won't make as many sales. But if you also upload to Amazon, you will make more sales. So actually, this piece of advice is to sign up to as many, not even as many, okay? I would sign up to Redbubble, I would sign up to Etsy, and I would sign up to Amazon merch by Amazon. These three dominate the SERP, the search engine result pages. They are, especially Amazon. If you're not on merch by Amazon, you need to try to get onto merch by Amazon, which is another reason you should never do any copyright designs at all. Just stay away from copyright, because if you don't stay away from copyright, you will not get accepted onto merch by Amazon. I am not on merch by Amazon. I really should be. I'm probably going to try and sign up pretty soon, to be honest, because I would really, really like to be on there, because Amazon is dominating the SERPs. Every time I do a search, it's always Amazon first, and they're going to get stronger and stronger. But if I could pick 3, it would be merch by Amazon, Redbubble, and Etsy. And also Etsy, you get more profit as well. So if you're interested in more profit, and also Etsy is very, very powerful on the SERP, then I would only sign up to Etsy. If you only want to sign up to one, Redbubble if you want to put the least amount of effort in, Amazon if you want to make the most sales, and Etsy if you want to make the most profit margin per sale. Okay, hope that helps you guys. Okay, so I said earlier that you can use Canva presets to make text-based designs. But this piece of advice is actually don't pay for any tools, okay? It's not worth it. There's nothing that you can't get for free that will help you more than a paid thing, okay? So things like Canva, Placeit, SEO tools, premium tag, Redbubble things, whatever it might be. All of the research for SEO you can do from trials. Okay, so admittedly Ahrefs $7 trial is probably the only thing I would recommend paying for. But other things, it's not really worth it, and it's a good idea to take all the money that you make from something like Redbubble to expand into Etsy. So let's say you have loads and loads of sales on Redbubble. Let's say you have 100 sales on Redbubble. You take that money and you put it into using a print-on-demand dropshipping service and dropshipping onto Etsy, and use the money from those sales and also analyze the Redbubble sales. And you can even, for example, if you have a keyword that you've made 5 sales on, you take that keyword, you put it into Google, and you find out that Etsy is actually above Redbubble. I mean, come on, like, you can just put it on Etsy with the money that you've made from it and sell it on Etsy and start to make even more money. And then eventually you can start putting them on your own Shopify website, which if you're making really good sales and you're decent with Facebook ads and you really know how to target a niche, that can be a really, really effective way to expand, basically. This is something I would love to do myself, but I've been so busy with my with teaching and starting a new job and everything. I just haven't had time. So yeah, it's this is what I would do if I had more time. I would use Redbubble to start because it's free. I wouldn't pay for any tools. So I should mention, for example, there's Photopea.com. I'll leave a link to it in the description, which is a completely free version of Photoshop. It takes a little bit of learning, but you know, anyone after 30 minutes can make a text-based design using Photopea. So there's no point paying for any tools. Save your money to expand onto other websites. Okay, I'm gonna make this one my last and, well, my final piece of advice is just do it.
Just do it!
Just get on with it, start making that design, start uploading, start writing descriptions, start to find keywords. Just go. Stop watching this video and just do it, okay? The best thing you can do is start to upload to something like Redbubble, which is completely free. There's no catch. If you make a sale, you get paid. It's all good. It's all Gouda. It's completely legit. It's it's fine. So it's really easy to upload. Just get started, see what works, get used to doing SEO research. Have a look through one of my playlists. I'll leave a link to the playlist of my best Redbubble keyword methods for this year that I've found so far anyway. And just get started, because the best thing you can do is upload a design. You can't make sales if you're not uploading designs. I haven't uploaded a design for since April or May, and I haven't made a sale in that time. I've only got 15 designs. I'm not making sales. Admittedly, all 15 of those designs have been copied, probably by people who have seen my videos. They were making sales. They're not making sales anymore. And also my best-selling design, which I'm fairly sure would have gone viral and made me a couple of $100, unfortunately got taken down. But if I had been posting consistently 5 designs a day in that time instead of 0 designs, I would be making sales now. Like, I can say that with 100% confidence. I've made sales before. I know what I'm doing. I haven't had the time, and that's on me. I haven't done it. I haven't uploaded, and I haven't made any sales because of that. If you're looking to make sales, if that is your goal in print and demand, which it should be, because, I mean, I guess you could be doing it for the passion of art, but let's be honest, we want money at the end of the day. And yeah, just do it. Just close this video, upload 5 designs, upload 5 designs a day, use my methods or anyone's methods, whatever's worked for you in the past, or just do it. Just get on with it. Go, do it.